Hi there! Oh my god, what a hot day. I know, some of you must be thinking, well, is he kidding? We are in places where it's so cold, it's almost freezing. Well, because I'm in Mumbai and it's about 30 degrees plus and it's fairly hot. Also, there are many places in India which are going to be hotter than Mumbai. So one thing is for sure, you can't sit indoors without a fan. So Orient today has sent us their Rapid Air series of ceiling fan. This comes with 2-year warranty and it's roughly priced around 1650. I'll leave the link below. If you like to buy one, you should check it out. So we'll unbox it, we'll see its color, its design, its performance, and accordingly you can decide if you like to buy this or not. But if this is your first time here, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Texing. Let's get started. So here is the retail packaging. This box has the motor while this one has the blades. So you can see here it's written Rapid Air 1200 mm Orient fans. If you come down here, you can see the picture of the fan. If you move on this side, you can see the manufacturing details, the contents, and the MRP, which is 1649 rupees. Alright. And on this side of the box, if you can see, it's written durable and long lasting motor, double ball bearing for longer life, superior paint finish, and 2 years warranty. Now this is a soft pearl finish. You can see this is sticked here. There is also white and brown. Alright, let's open it. So first thing is the rod. Then you have the top canopy and the bottom canopy. The top canopy comes with the Orient Electric branding. You also have the 2-year warranty card. There you go. And here is the shackle assembly to fit the fan. And of course, the motor itself. Alright, we'll keep this on the side. Here is the box of the blades, Rapid Air, Sweep 1200 mm. Alright, let's open this. And we have 3 blades inside the box. And you can see the coating looks really nice, very well built, nice quality. I'm actually liking the pearl finish. The pearl white looks, it's like off-white and it looks really nice. And here is the motor. The build quality is good. It's got this lovely golden line at the edge. The build quality is really good. Alright, let's fix them. It says these labels must be used and not to be removed. We leave it there. Make sure that the screws are very well tightened. So I called the electrician to do the installation for me, and I highly recommend you call a professional to do it. I replaced my old fan with my new Orient Rapid Air. Alright, there we go, we are done. It took the electrician about 15 minutes to install it. You can see the build and finish looks really nice. So let's turn it on. Now this is running at full speed and it's providing a good amount of breeze. Make sure there is enough space between the roof and the fan blades for the best performance. If I had to talk about the sound, it's actually quite silent. Perfect size fan for a medium sized room. So this was it guys, the Rapid Air series of Orient fans. If you like to buy one, I'll leave the link in the description. You should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, feel free to mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.